Okay, let's take one problem here. So draw the core of a rectangular section of width 250 mm and thickness 500 mm. So we have to draw the core. Now this is a rectangular section. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is 250 mm. Now I am drawing it here with free hand, but when such questions are asked in the exam of drawing something, then you should draw it properly with scale. Drawing with scale doesn't means that it should be like, let's say it is 250 and this is 500, then it should be 2 times this length. No, you just have to give these lines properly, mark all the dimensions properly. Okay, so this is 250 mm, this is 500 mm. Now based on the concept of core, we can directly draw the diagram. So you can see here it should be like this, and this is the ex and ey distance. So either you can draw it from the first, or first you can calculate the value of ex and then you can draw. So what I am doing is I am drawing it directly. So first I will draw the diagram. So this is the core. Now I will give the here dimensions. Okay, whatever the dimensions are given, that I will give. So this distance is ex. Similarly, these two distances are ey. Now for rectangular section, what is the value of ex? Ex should be less than or equal to d by 6. Similarly, ey should be less than or equal to b by 6. Now considering the maximum values, that is ex is equal to d by 6 and ey is equal to b by 6. What is the value of b here? What is the value of d here? 500 divided by 6, and this is 250 divided by 6. So 500 divided by 6 is 83.33. Similarly, 250 divided by 6 is 41.67. Now we have got all the values. We just have to write it here. This distance ex is 83.33. So this is 83.33. Here it is 83.33. Now this ey is 41.67. So 41.67, 41.67. So now we have shown all the values here. This represents the core of rectangular section. If there is no space to write these values in mm, you can write here in bottom that all dimensions are in mm.